Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to set up and log into the SRI app on your iPad, which is the Scholastic Reading Inventory app. I'll show you how to find that app in just a minute, but first we have to set something up in the settings on your iPad. So you'll want to tap on the gear icon, the settings icon, and then you're going to swipe or scroll all the way down on the left side until you see Reading INV. It's short for Reading Inventory. It looks like a little blue square with an R and a magnifying glass. Go ahead and tap on that. And then where it says Site ID, it's probably blank for you. We're going to tap on that. And we have to enter kind of a long site ID. So I'm going to show you what that is on the screen. H1 and then 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 1, 6, 7. So after you type that in, double check that you have 4 zeros there and that you have the site ID typed in correctly. And then you're going to press the return key on the keyboard. And that's all you need to do for that part. We're going to press the home button to go back to the home screen. And then we need to find the app. Now, on my iPad, things look a little bit different than yours. So in the dock, I see the Reading Inventory app, but if you don't see it right away, what I recommend is that you search for it. So you're going to tap and swipe down from the center of your screen, and then you can type in the first few letters of the name. So in this case, I'm typing in read, R-E-A-D. I could type more than that, but I don't need to. And you'll see that after I type that in, Reading Inventory shows up. So the SRI app is, again, that one with the blue square and the R and the magnifying glass. So as soon as you see that, you can tap on it. And Reading Inventory is kind of slow. It takes about a minute sometimes for SRI to load, so just be patient. And then what you'll see is this username and password screen. So the username and password are a little bit different than what you've been using for other things like maybe Zoom or Typing Agent. So it's similar to your Google account username and password, but it's a little bit different. And I'm going to give an example, which is I'm going to use Sora's account. So Sora Friedman would be S Friedman 2025. For you, that would be your first initial, last name, and graduation year. You notice I'm not putting the @markdayschool.org part. That does not go into your username for SRI. So it's just your first initial, last name, graduation year. For the password, you all have a Google password that starts with a hashtag symbol, and SRI does not allow that symbol. So we had to take it off of your password just for this app. So I'm going to give you an example on the screen of what you'll use. And I'm not going to show you Sora's password, but when you type yours in, you'll see those black dots appear. When you're all done, tap on Go On. If you see this message about the username or password not working, just tap the X and go back and double check things. Maybe you had a space somewhere, or you put something uppercase, or you left out a letter. So I'm just going to double check real carefully. I have S Friedman 2025, looks correct for Sora. I'm going to go back and carefully type my password in, making sure the first letter is uppercase and the rest is lowercase. And then I do not have the hashtag symbol as part of it. I'm going to tap Go On. And when you get to this screen where it asks what kinds of books do you like to read, you can go ahead and tap on these if you like, but you also can just stop here and press the home button to go out of SRI. This is as far as we need to get to be ready for you to use SRI with your teacher in class. So again, if you've gotten to this screen, then everything's working and you can just press the home button to get out of the SRI app. All right, bye-bye.